I'm fixing it. I'm filming it. Well, hello everyone. Today we are working on a Kawasaki Brute Force 750. Well, we have another problem here. Can you see that? One bolt, it's pretty bad, that ball joint. So let's get those replaced. That one's gone, the one beside it will be gone too. So we picked up two of them, $54 each Canadian. October the 1st, 2021. Okay, so this is all they give you for $54. They don't give you a new nut or a cotter pin. So we're going to have to reuse the old ones there, but I got the cotter pin off, and let's see if I can adjust this here. Looks like it's 11/16, but I need to be the bottom one too. Well, I got that one replaced. How's it look now? Whoa, nice and tight. Okay, so let's get that other one replaced. May as well. We're here, we got the covers off. If that one failed, well then that one's going to go next. So let's get to that. I'm working on the other side so you'll be able to actually see how I did it. And I promise, no swear words. Now this one's going to be a little bit more difficult. You know what? I still have to do it from that side. Okay, guys. It's either me fixing it or the camera watching it, and we can't do both, so I'll be back. Well, I'm sorry, guys. There's just not enough room in there, but nice and tight. So I still got to get the cotter pin in that other one, but basically 11/16 socket up top, and then a wrench underneath here to hold the bottom of the ball joint from turning, loosen it, and instead of trying to crack it here, I actually cracked it at the tie rod, and then I spun the whole shaft off, took it to my vise, and actually removed the ball joint. And on the ball joint side, on the steering, it is reverse threads. Okay, so you'll need to put a 3/4 inch wrench on that ball joint, and then a 11/16 to back off that nut, and just back it off enough so you can spin this off. That way you don't lose your position, keep your tires lined up properly. And then screw on the new one, come back here, screw it onto your existing, to the tie rod and at the tire, tighten that, and then get that back up in there, put your your nylock washer on it, get it nice and tight, and then put in your cotter pin. So it wasn't that bad of a job, and it's just I couldn't do it with the camera in there. So I'm going to finish getting that cotter pin in there, and on to the next thing. There, both cotter pins installed. Tires still look lined up. Okay. Next thing my subscriber wants me to do is put on a light bar. So I'm going to show you how to properly wire in a light bar with a relay. Okay.